Hello again. I'm just filming another video of the mallards, the mallard ducklings I filmed earlier, only this time with their mother, of course, just resting on the grass on the canal bank, or in some vegetation rather. Yeah, they're all huddled up next to their mother, perhaps trying to keep warm and that. And looks like she's keeping a watchful eye on me. Well, female mallards are, and particularly the mothers, of course, are protective of their young, so I don't blame her, of course. Yeah, it is a wonderful sight seeing them like this, though. And as I mentioned earlier in the other video I've took, there's quite a few mallard ducklings here. I don't know how many of them, because it's hard to see with them moving around like that. Still, they're all very beautiful, no doubt about it. Yeah, looks like the mother's just cleaning some of her feathers. While some of the mallard ducklings, as you can see, are trying to hide in her feathers, and particularly under her wings. It looks like one of them's gone on her back. I think so anyway. Looks like she's trying to position herself, get into a more comfortable spot. Alright, I think I'll leave the mother mallard and the ducklings in peace now. Well, thank you for joining me once again, and I'll see you next time.